Here is an SBC call waiting caller ID system. This caller ID system has frozen. It's pretty cold out today, but it's not below freezing, so I don't know what the issue is, but as you can see, the time is messed up. It's 0:18 p.m. It's got one call and it's unresponsive. So I remember this happening occasionally when I used to use this back in the day. There's a reset button on the back of it, and I just take like a pencil tip, for instance, and stick this in here and literally reset it. And then it's back to normal. See it's responsive again. The time will set next time a call comes in. And I don't know what causes that. In this particular instance, I remember the breaker tripped, and at some point after that, this froze up. I don't know if the breaker tripping caused this to freeze or what. I don't know, but that happened. I recall it happening at seemingly random intervals years ago, and now it seems like it's doing it again, but not often. I don't recall it doing it often, just when there was some kind of a power event or whatever. So it's working again, and it's nice that there's a reset button. Don't see that on stuff much anymore at all today.